Can you spot the hidden math trap here that many people make fail to solve? 10 minus 4 bracket 10 minus 2. What people do? 10 minus 4 as 6, 10 minus 2 as 8, and 6 times 8 as 48. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. When in an expression like this, 10 minus 4, then bracket, then again in bracket, there is a subtraction, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to always solve the bracket if given, then order, then division, multiplication both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, then put multiplication. Now we have two signs, multiplication and subtraction. So we have to give priority to multiplication. Multiplication is between 4 and 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 10 minus 32 is minus 22. So what is the correct answer? Negative 22, not 48. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.